1984 Mitsubishi Montero Sport. 2.6 liter, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. Arizona truck from day one. Purchased at Mesa Mitsubishi. It's been one family owned. And quite honestly, I don't think the thing's ever been off-road. No rust, original paint, original interior, floors, frame, wheel wells, everything is just absolutely rock solid, and actually still has original paint underneath everything. Freshly tinted windows all the way around. 5 brand new BF Goodrich, I'm sorry, let me correct that. 5 brand new Goodyear Wrangler all-terrains, including the spare tire, were just installed less than 50 miles ago. Towing package with light harness. Clean straight body, clean Carfax, no accidents, no paint work. Runs and drives fantastic. Everything works. Ice cold air conditioning. It's been serviced and updated to 134A and blows perfect. Heat, defog, wipers, all lights, all switches, radio, everything works as it should. Absolutely no issues whatsoever. Dual range transfer case, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low, with automatic locking hubs. They function perfectly. They've been tested. Great running and driving truck. 154,000 miles with about 30,000 miles on a rebuilt 2.6 engine with a new clutch at that time. It also has been updated with a Weber carburetor and runs absolutely perfect. We'll fire it up here in a minute. Good looking truck, clean straight body all the way around. Has a dashboard cover on it that's probably been on it since it's new, and the dash underneath is absolutely perfect. No cracks, no issues. So I left it on. It's been updated with a JVC stereo with Bluetooth, and it does have a microphone right over there, as you can see on the side, so your telephones can be done hands-free. Good clean headliner, visors, windshield is in excellent shape, as well as the door panels. Freshly tinted windows. Side glass all the way around the car with a vent, with a sun visor along the top of the front windshield. Bought new at Mesa Mitsubishi. Interior is in excellent shape. Fold and tumble back seat. Everything works. I got the seatbelt clicked, so if I try to tumble it, it'll just stop, but it does work. And 2 position. You pull this and it goes back. You lift it up once and it goes up, so it like semi-reclines. Carpeting is all in excellent shape. The interior is in excellent shape. Nothing's tore up or ripped or anything like that. Little wear on the driver's seat. There are covers on the front seat, passenger seat, fine. Driver's seat, little wear on the side bolster, so it's got seat covers on it, which match the interior and they look fine. Nothing major. Sliding rear windows. Rear door with lock, rear wiper, rear window defogger. Just passed emissions, I believe, last year, so I think it's still under the limit for having emissions done, if need be. Look inside these wheel wells, all original paint. Underside of the truck is perfect. No issues, no rust. Looking at the rocker panels on this truck, on both sides, tells me I don't think it's ever been off-road. I got it from an older gentleman who had it pretty much since new, and I believe his wife was the one that bought it new back in '84, prior to them getting married. Let me get the hood popped open and we'll do a startup on it. Go ahead and start it up. Runs like an absolute sewing machine. No issues, no problems. Nice and quiet. Full complete exhaust system. No smoke, no strange sounds. Quite honestly, I think it's got the original exhaust system on it too. You gotta remember, if you're looking at this from other parts of the country, out here in Arizona, that kind of stuff just doesn't rust. It lasts forever. Great looking truck. Great driver. Good fuel economy. Let me shut the hood here. And we'll do a little drive. This is going to be interesting, one-handed with a stick, but we'll do a short little drive as soon as the traffic passes here. Interior's in beautiful shape, no strange smells, everything works, air, heat, light, signals, no issues, even has the old incline meter on it. Plus, these things had a driver's suspension seat which you adjust for weight, and that's actually pretty comfortable, so it's kind of like a big rig where the seat will go up and down. Here comes the FedEx guy. I'm waiting for some packages. He's probably going to my shop. Let's do a quick swing around here as soon as the traffic clears up a little bit. AC. Nice and cold already. Gets cold real quick. There we go. All right. Let's swing this around the block a little bit. Try not to get hit. And there you go. Any questions, give us a call, 623-764-5897. Phone number in the description below, or check us out at rpmotorcars.com. rpmotorcars.com. Link in description below as well. Thanks for watching. Please remember to click subscribe and hit that notification bell so you see all the vehicles that we get in and video and update for our website. Thanks again.